It is my pleasure to present the Exceptional Physician Award to Caitlin Collins. Dr. Collins is a chief resident in general surgery. She has been recognized by her colleagues for performing at the highest level of professionalism, balancing the day-to-day operations with program-wide initiatives, while also taking on additional leadership responsibilities. An example of these additional responsibilities includes her commitment to representing and advocating for her co-residents, ensuring that their best interests are prioritized. In this capacity, she is also a peer mentor for co-residents reaching out for emotional and mental health support. And she serves as a respected confidant to those in need. Dr. Collins is an excellent role model on how to interact with patients, families, and all other members of the healthcare team. She has single-handedly designed social justice and health equity curriculum tailored to surgical residents, which has been incorporated into morning didactic discussions. She is also the surgical interest group resident liaison, and in this role oversees a surgery symposium for medical students that gives them exposure to surgical skills and spaces, modeling the typical resident for those prospective trainees. Thank you, Dr. Collins, for being an exemplary resident and outstanding professional. Congratulations on winning the Exceptional Physician Award.
Good morning. I'm so grateful for this honor and deeply thankful to those who nominated me. As a resident, I'm acutely aware of the fact that the person or people who nominated me are likely also the same people responsible for shaping me into the physician that I am. It's especially humbling to me to receive this award because I think that we are only as good as our mentors who teach us and as our coworkers, in this case, my co-residents, APPs, and nurses who support us along the way. So with that, I want to thank everyone who's helped me along the way, and I especially want to name a few people. I'd like to thank, first off, Dr. Asher and Dr. Riley for allowing me the opportunity to train here. Dr. Harris for your continued sage advice, mentorship, and for teaching me how to give public talks. So if this one is bad, I blame him. Thank you, Dr. Wick, for guiding my research endeavors and for helping me become a fledgling clinician scientist. Thank you, Dr. Sosa, for your ongoing support, especially during my administrative chief years. I am eternally grateful to all of my co-residents, and I especially want to thank Yvonne Kelly, who's served as a constant sounding board and source of support and grounding for me over these long years of residency. And then lastly, and most important, I want to thank my family. To my parents, there were times in my teenage years where if I were my parent, I would have put me in a dumpster. So thank you for not doing that. But in all seriousness, most of the privileges I've had in my life, I owe to them, including sitting here now. To my wife and son, you teach me what grace and compassion looks like. I would not be able to be the physician that I strive to be without your undying love and support, and it means the world to me. Thank you.
So on behalf of the Muriel Steele Society, we wanted to celebrate Caitlin Collins being honored as one of UCSF's Exceptional Physicians of the Year. And everyone on this call wanted to say a couple words to describe Caitlin.
Caitlin, it's such an honor to have nominated you and to have you receive this award. We all think that you're an amazing physician. We also thought about what would be one word to describe you. And of course, it's really hard to describe you in one word. So I have two. The first one is dedicated, and the second one is wry. And really, both are equally important to how you function as a doctor and how you interact with people and why you're such a wonderful physician. So congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations, Caitlin. I am so excited and happy that you got this exceptional award, and Liana is really excited too. It was really hard for me to decide on a few words, but I boiled it down to fearless and cool cat. Just because you always had the coolest graphic t-shirts and the wittiest jokes. So on top of course, being the most excellent surgeon, clinician, leader, friend, and now super mom, I am so proud of you. So congrats again.
And the words that I thought of to describe you, Caitlin, were passionate and supportive. I've loved spending time with you on rotations, and I've learned so much from you. We all think you're so deserving of this award, and I'm just so grateful that I've gotten to work with you over your time in residency. So congratulations.
Dr. Collins, you are indeed exceptional, and it is an honor to be your colleague. Congratulations on this recognition, a high honor and very fitting, as I would want you caring for my loved ones. Our patients are lucky to have you. We are lucky to have you. Thank you for everything you do.